So, welcome everyone for this quick feedback and testimonial sessions from all our participants. We have just concluded our level one, the practitioner's course in cognitive product coaching. And so, we are doing this session where our participants can share their experiences. Why are we doing it live? Because this is an unedited version. Everything that people want to say can say, and then when people are obviously checking it out, they know that these are unedited testimonials and feedback that we are receiving from our participants. And if you are interested in getting to know more about the courses that we offer, please check out the course page. I'll leave the links to the course page in the comments below. So you can check that out, and you can, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our team, and someone in the team will surely connect with you and help you with any questions that you have. So we are at the end of the workshop. 6 days? You have been in a weekday batch. So 15 days. How was it? Who would like to start?
I can go first. Hi, this is Aarti Mansinka from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. And I have been associated with HRs for quite a long time, but this is for the first time I got enrolled myself with some specific course with HRs. And it has been a beautiful journey. It's sad that it's getting over today, but we are of course looking forward for the next levels. The best part about the course was that pre-modules that were offered and given to us, which we had to go through before starting of the courses. Just say, we got a very clear grasp and very clarity upon the base of what we are going to learn. And then when the course started, when our live, classes and sessions started, the best part about teachers here, you, Misbah ma'am or Mamta ma'am, whoever is taking our course, is about your patience. Irrespective of what and how, no matter what is the time, no matter how many times the same question is coming, you always guys carry a lot of patience. And because of that patience, we are able to learn a lot more. Secondly, the course is very crystal clear. It's very systematic, structurized in such a manner. We don't have to look here and there for any other sources or any other information. The course, if we follow the whole, strategy, and if you follow the whole flow, the way you have taught us, I'm sure there is nothing that we'll miss on our clients because it is that structured. And the best part of the course was icing on the cake. That was, we were not only learning, but at the same time, we were working on our own personal issues as well. So I'm sure everyone here who has got enrolled must have worked on some or the other issues they were dealing with or was bothering them. So it was healing and learning. And I think everyone who's in the field must go through this course. It's not an advertisement, honestly, but yeah, I do feel this. It has really groomed my confidence very much. Thank you so much for this all. And the opportunity that I always get with HRs to get associated with so many of people from the same field. It's a bliss to getting attached and coming in contacts with so many people from the same field. So thank you for that also, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Who would like to go next?
Hi, I'm Meera Jha, and this course has given me a completely different dimension, which I have been thinking about कि कुछ करना है, कुछ ऐसा करना है, but the clarity, आज की date में my future is like here, it's like on top of my mind कि मुझे exactly करना क्या है और कैसे करना है. So I always knew कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये करना है, ये करना है. But every time I will start doing something and then I'll stuck. Now I know why I was stuck, because I was not, the things were not clear कि करना उसको step by step करना कैसे, which is so much clear after this course. And I have already told my friends and everybody कि even if somebody don't want to do it professionally, their personal development, this will help them immensely in their relationship, business, personal, professional, कोई भी relationship है. First level तो मुझे, मेरे लिए तो ये लगता है जैसे मैं रेकी, I am a Reiki grandmaster. So I tell everybody कि Reiki level 1 सबको करना चाहिए for your this thing. Now I tell everybody that ये वाला level, first level तो सबको करना ही चाहिए. This will give you not only the information, not only this thing, but how to do step by step. ये कोई नहीं बताता है ठीक से कि इसको करना कैसे है. हम ये चाहते हैं करना, बट हाउ वी गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप, दैट ओके ये सोच लिया, ये प्लान बना लिया, अब उस प्लान में अगर हमारे बिहेवियर की वजह से हम उसको नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो अब हम उसे कैसे चेंज करें. So one thing that which I'm very happy that I have attended this course. And second thing, in personal terms, that because I want to implement this in my profession, combining with the therapies that I do. So that way also, the step by step, like you told us ki session 0 mein kaise, so the flow also, that how we have to go about, not only that ki so implement karna, but step by step usse kaise karna. So that whole information thing is really nice. And obviously, Misbah ma'am and you teachers wise, it was because when teachers have that level of patience, हमें ये नहीं लगता है कि हम पूछे कि नहीं पूछे, ठीक है नहीं समझ में रहा, हो गया कुछ नहीं, दोबारा से पूछ लो, दोबारा से पूछ लो, कोई वो एक हिच नहीं होती है कि मतलब यार ये पूछ लिया फिर से नहीं आ रहा, अब क्या करें. So you don't have those kind of feeling. So I'm really thankful to you guys, and the course curriculum, the way it is designed, it is really amazing. I really personally liked it very much. So
Thank you. Thank you very much. Also, just one thing. So while Meera has mentioned that the course can create immense personal transformations in the lives of people, and right now we're just at level 1. So there is a lot more to come. But you have to understand that we have designed the course keeping in mind practitioners. So if you are, if any of you are watching this program or this session right now, if you're looking at joining the course only for personal development, please connect with me once. Probably I can recommend something else to you. You are joining this course, keep this in mind that it is a practitioner's course. We expect you to be able to apply these skills when you're working with your clients. And it's important because we want you to be extremely committed during the program with practice sessions, and that commitment comes if you know that you're going to set it up as a part of your career when you're working with clients. So that's kind of important. Thank you, Meera. Thank you, Aarti. Who would like to go next?
Hi, myself Pranaya, and I guess this is the best decision I have taken to do this course. I've planned for do the all 4 levels, but this time, like it's been just 2 days, my space is ready. So I'm starting my own space, and it feels like now I have everything in my bag. So as been in this profession, we do many courses, we do many learn many new tools, but this course was something that have made me feel complete, that now you're ready. And it feels like very happy to me that now I can really go there and sit and take my clients and apply all of these things. So thank you so much for that. And as everyone was saying that how patient our teachers are. So before the course also was starting, Misbah ma'am and Nitin sir and Gauri, yeah, she was so patient with me. मेरा वो login नहीं हो रहा था, password नहीं हो रहा था, but they all helped me with that. And I just want to say thank you. And I have everything what I need. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you. Who's left? Who would like to go next?
I'll go.
Please.
Okay. So these were the experience from all the people who are doing it for the first time. So my experience is going to be a bit different because I'm repeating my level 1. I have already completed my 3 level, and this time I was repeating. So the perk of registering yourself with IHR is that you can repeat like every level 1 more time for free. So this time it was very different because last time I was just, there's a lot, right? It's a lots of processes, what to apply, what not to apply, and then going through the scripts, then forgetting the script, looking at the client, right? So there are so many things that you go through. But this time it was different because I know what the scripts were, but I was playing around when-then statements, future, deepening techniques, and I'm already creating my own models, mixing yoga and some of the deepening and induction and mindfulness techniques, which I've learned from IHR, right? So this is something that I'm really discovering, and it makes me feel so happy. I did this course last year in September. So it's been what, 9 months. And the way I handle clients, I feel so confident now. You know, when you handle clients, right, that there's a space for you to learn better, be better, but you don't know where to fill that space from. So for me, HR was the institute that filled that space for me. Right. So yeah, that's all I
Perfect.
have.
Thank you. So that's actually one of the things that, yes, you can repeat the same course again. Also, we give you access to certain post-level online modules that will be available with you for lifetime. The idea is whenever we update courses, and we do update our courses quite frequently, you have the access to all the updates because they also get added in the online modules, right? So, and to be true, while the course in itself is good, I personally do believe that for coaching and therapy, when you're developing skills, the post-workshop support actually makes a lot more difference in the course itself. Because in the course, you learn a lot of things, you practice with each other. It's when you start working with your clients where you will have additional questions that come to your mind that may not be there right now because you're learning it for the first time. So that ability to connect back with us and to be able to get your questions answered, and if required, repeat the course, can really come handy in most cases. Thank you. Who would like to go next?
I'll go, sir.
Please.
Hi, everyone. This is Dr. Madhur Rathi. I'm a psychiatrist based in Hyderabad. And with the guidance from one other psychiatrist, I came across, because I was interested in therapy and learning counseling coaching. I came across iChas and I instantly fell in love with iChas when I saw their courses. When I wanted to do this level 1 hypnotherapy. I mean, I want to do 4 levels, but now I completed level 1. Initially, I came across anxiety counseling, relationship counseling, sleep counseling, and with every other course, my curiosity for this course was increasing drastically. And now that I have completed this course, I feel like there's like a feather in my cap, because this is something that I always wanted to learn, because I was fascinated since childhood. I know, like, I call myself an atypical psychiatrist because therapy is something which is not very predominantly spoken about when we speak about medicines and disorders. But I honestly wanted to learn this because I somewhere believe that this is something that can help people before they end up into disorders, at the time when they are just in distress and where they're able to understand that something is going wrong. So the whole program is structured in a way that, as sir said, every level is complete in its own self. And now I am honestly looking forward to level 2, because I know that now I have skills, and now, even after having these skills, now I'm looking forward to what more can be there, because it feels so complete. But at the same time, there's curiosity for the next level to come. And I think the best part is that these on pre-session modules which are there online, going through them again and again gives so much clarity that we don't have to put so much of efforts when we actually come into sessions into understanding it, because we come with the understanding back of our mind. And I realized this in all the earlier 3 courses that I did, and this course also, that there is so much practice. Like when I first stepped in, I thought that, okay, मेरे को hypnotherapy कैसे आएगा, मतलब क्या करना होता है, I don't even know what it takes. But there is so much practice that we have done over these days with every different person, and not like you're always practicing with the same person. We keep changing our partners, so we come across different kind of people. We practice our skills on different people, and at the end of it, when they say कि हाँ बहुत अच्छा लगा, I think it worked, then we feel like, oh my god, so I'm actually learning this skill, because it's not like a litmus paper that the color would change when I learn it. But when that satisfaction comes, and I have also been able to use some of these skills that I'm learning here into my practice when I'm coaching, when I'm doing therapy sessions with my clients. I was predominantly using CBT, but here the combination is of, because it's eclectic approach, there's a combination of cognitive, there's a combination of mindfulness, then hypnotherapy. All these things are combined together. So now it feels like, yeah, it's complete, because sometimes we tend to feel that effect to aa raha hai, but there's something more that needs to be worked on. So right now, after doing this, I feel like, yeah, now I'm better prepared to go out there and help people. So thank you so much for that, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Who else is left?
Hi, I'm Smita. Can I go ahead?
Yes,
I'm
Smita, please go ahead.
Okay, yeah. So hi, actually, I am completely new to this field. So a little bit about myself. I've been in the HR space and I've worked with some really good corporates over a period of 12 years now. And somewhere while I was, doing, some somewhere it felt a little incomplete. I, felt the need to transition into another, field. So while I was thinking of getting into coaching, I was kind of, researching about which organization, because coaching in India really is, I mean, there's every second organization, since there's no hard and fast, there's just, guys ready to hand out, coaching certificates to you just at, the blink of an eye. But then somehow I was not convinced, and I happened to, come across iCho's website, and I started reading, and the more I read, the more intrigued I was. And, it was just, I mean, just whatever they've put out there, and, right, I mean, right from my first contact, from the time I was reading, then the whole pre-module thing happened, then the rigor with which they follow up with you, okay, you have to complete your pre-modules, you can't be just, so yeah, I mean, it was just actually just the beginning, like the trailer before the movie began. And then the movie began, and these last 3 weeks, it's just been so beautiful, because somebody like me, I've just done my MBA HR. I don't have an educational, like my friends out here. I don't come from a psychology background. But in spite of that, it was just so easy to understand, assimilate, and just this whole course, just the level 1, like Madhur, I too like, although I know this is complete, but I'm so excited for the next level. And in fact, in my mind, I'm feeling, why is it happening so late? Why can't it just be just happen immediately? So yeah, so it's just beautiful, the entire experience, and the kind of support, the kind of perseverance that they have shown with us. Ki karna hai to karna hai, homework मतलब किया कि नहीं, लिखा कि नहीं, all of that. So yeah, it was just great, really nice, and I'd really recommend this for everyone.
Perfect. Thank you. Why is level 2 happening after some time? Because you have enough time in between to be able to practice, see how what you have learned works, and then when you start with level 2, we can actually start with what the challenges are, and then we can address them during the course as well. Perfect. Who else is left?
Yeah. So I'm Ritvika. I have completed my master's in clinical psychology, and I was always curious about hypnotherapy, and I did try doing it from some other organization, but IHAS is the best, I tell you. Actually, this is the place. If you want to learn hypnotherapy and NLP, this is the place, because as Meera said, you get the exact clarity that what you have to do and what is hypnotherapy. And for me, the biggest change would be, I have this anxiety when it comes to speaking in front of many people. So, pehle din I wasn't able to speak at all, bilkul bhi. But on second day, third day, I could switch on my audio and speak in front of many people. So that is a big challenge for me. Right now it is, but I'm happy that I'm trying. So this has happened to me in this entire course, which is really an achievement for me.
I'm so glad that you said that. Like I said earlier, while we do emphasize on the fact that this is a practitioner's course and we want you to develop practitioner skills, but the fact is, it's when you see results happening with you, when you experience those results, the confidence with which you're able to work with clients is far greater, because you have that conviction in what you are doing. So I'm really happy that each of you, to some extent or the other, have spoken about the personal journey that you've gone through during the course. And I'm really glad. That's one. Second is, for all of you watching, I have not been the trainer for this particular batch. I've just parachuted for the last 2 days because Misbah has been busy with something else. Otherwise, the program has been conducted by Misbah. Anything else that any of you would like to add?
We are missing Misbah ma'am right now. Like, really. She has been actually, she has been dealing with us throughout, and today she's not here. So, yeah.
Yeah, she's the anchor. She's the anchor.
Exactly.
Yeah, she should have been around, really.
Yeah.
I hope she's watching us live at least.
I do so. Yeah.
Yeah,
I do
we
so
would like
too.
to